Earth has become a haven for all alien races who come from the farthest reaches of the galaxy to live in peace. 99% of the newcomers live in harmony. But for the 1% who can't, there is Space Patrol Delta, the new breed of police to bring them in.
You can hide, monster. Well, actually, you can't really hide. Perp at 2 o'clock. That's 9 o'clock, Sid.
Got it. Fist of iron!
Sky tape reporting in. Mission complete. Please advise.
Well done, cadets. Your training progresses nicely.
Cat. Ma'am? Miss Manx? We were all wondering. We know there's A Squad Power Rangers and we're B Squad cadets. Not that there's anything wrong with being a B Squad cadet or a C Squad or a D Squad.
Let me translate. I speak fluent bridge. He wants to know when we're getting those great designer-colored suits.
Cat, I've told them. It's not about the suits or the weapons. It's about helping people and upholding the tradition of being a Power Ranger.
That's up to Commander Cruger. Not me. Dismissed.
Best cadets ever, Cat.
Agreed. And you, Boom, my eager assistant. Job well done.
Commander Cruger, sir, we have a problem in the...
Ninth quadrant. I am aware. Nelandia has been destroyed. There's not a lot of time and much to be done. He is coming.
Nah, you guys just dislocated my shoulder. Popped it back in and it's as good as gold. See? Ah. Anyway, this is Cat's new arm cast laser. Cool, huh? Anyway, I gotta go, so bye.
Boom! Clean up your mess.
Yes, sir. Sir. Which mess?
Start with the last one you made and work backwards.
Yes, sir.
Lighten up, Sky. Boom's a great guy. A little weird, but a great guy.
Yeah, well, someday our lives may depend on that great guy. And then what?
I know. Then our lives will depend on him.
Commander Cruger wants to see us. Now.
Listen carefully, A-Squad. Preparation is the key to any tactical defense. Report to Delta Air Base for last-minute simulation instruction. Earth depends on you. Dismissed. Yes, sir! Good luck, A-Squad.
Attention! That is who I want to be. I'm gonna be the Red Ranger.
Jeez, did you see the size of them? Even the girls are massive. What's wrong, Bridge?
I don't know. Their energy, their colors. Something's off.
Cadets, I trust you've enjoyed your training here at the SPD Academy.
Well, since you asked, the fluorescent lighting gives me a bit of a headache. Yes, sir.
And not that your training has ended, or will it ever end while you're here. But as your commander, I must now call upon B Squad to step up and take on new responsibilities.
I thought new responsibilities meant kicking some intergalactic freakazoid butt. All the data device says is to bring in the Parkington market thieves.
It's code, no doubt. What do you think it means?
Bring in the Parkington market thieves.
You know, Sky, you are good.
Stop, thieves!
Out of the way! We don't want to hurt you. Hurt us? That's a good one.
SPD, we'll take it from here.
Thank you.
You may not be coming in peacefully, but you're coming in.
What about me?
It's a hologram. It's not real. Okay, she's real. Let's get him.
Got him. Say goodnight, friend.
I'm sorry we can't stay and play, but we gotta run. That went well.
You underestimated your opponent and were soundly defeated.
We are so not ready to be rangers.
I'm ready.
Oh, so it must have been Sid and I who let those two get away then.
Listen to yourselves. There is no team here. This is the issue you will have to overcome before you can become a Power Ranger.
Oh, I get it. All we have to do is stop blaming, criticizing, and judging each other?
You forgot to mention failing to bring in suspects.
Right. Let's see. That puts us right on schedule to be rangers around... never.
You will meet those two again.
Sir, the civilians, they were different. They had special abilities like we do.
Yes, I know. Cadet Tate, come with me.